How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another Hbar update. And over the last few days, over the past week, I actually called for 19 and 18 cent to hold, and we got the 200 EMA maintaining the wick down over here, the true support, which I was suggesting the wick would get filled, but it also is the true support. So at all costs, 18 and the 200 EMA 19 cent must hold. This where it must bounce, and this bounce has to recover where I've marked out from the last update, 25 and 27 cent. So I was suggesting all these past months, we could move up into 25 and 27 cent, and it might not be good enough. And look what's going on today, guys. We're now bearish engulfing, even though there was bullish news yesterday. Hbar was actually going up before this bullish news. It was due to key areas of support, just reacting to that, and simply like it's reacting to this as resistance. But yesterday there was some bullish news, the fact that there was going to be a Bitcoin ETH Cardano, XRP, and Solana strategic reserve, but I really do feel like Hbar would be included in something like that going forward once further details are announced. It's US based, so definitely, in my opinion anyways. But unfortunately, there's no structural or characteristic changes. Yes, we said this is where it needs to bounce from, but I was also saying it must recover this, although it's where it's pumping into, the pump target as it's the previous support. It was expected to be resistance. In fact, it's quite positive that it managed to close above all the moving averages, but we're now getting a move back down after a few of them caused a bullish cross as the yellow one's gone over the blue and the purple. We're getting a few bullish crosses. So from this exact location, Hbar needs to pump back up, but the risk is that it will be lower than this last high if we see a move back up. So once again, I'll say that 25 and 27 cent remains the key level of resistance, must be broken. Guys, even if we bounce now, there's a huge possibility it could send us lower now. What we need to see for the bullish people, a recovery of the level, and that will actually initiate a move up into 33, 36 cent. Once those two levels are recovered, I'm more bullish than all of you. Why? Because the scenario, all these bearish scenarios are completely out the window, completely invalidated. But I could imagine something like where we get up into there and then it starts dumping back down to see if the bulls will protect this level once again. And then hopefully something like this inverse head and shoulders here. But we're far away from that being the reality. Although that could be something to cling on for hopium, you must understand this is and has been resistance. I've been suggesting that we'd fall all the way back down into here. I've been calling this as the resistance, so a move back up into there should just reject it. We've seen it develop over the past month and do exactly that. Maybe it took a while for it to happen because day by day saying the same thing each day got boring. And of course, if it's not happening like I'm saying, then you're going to get the hate in the comments saying he doesn't know what he's talking about. But in the end, you know, it did exactly the moves I was suggesting, a wick fill and that this must hold and a move back up into there. And unfortunately, this is resistance. A rollover from here is expected. And now that rollover coming into very key levels of support must bounce and recover 25, 27. That is something that you must take note of today. The most important fact is from right here at 22 cent, the bounce must begin. And that bounce must recover 25 and 27 cent to get the move back up into 33 and 36 cent. This could be a move of 45 to 62% from here. Something else that you must not forget after watching this video update is that 25 and 27 has been confirmed resistance. So another move back up into there should just be lower than the last test of resistance. And that will be the risk here today, where over the coming days, a move back up into there could form, and failing to recover the level to go on a path to 33 and 36, failing to do that, we will actually see the loss of all moving averages again, suggesting the move above was false. And these are terrible signals. These are not bullish signals. My apologies. These are bearish signals, and it will go ahead and attempt to lose 19 cent once again. If we ever see 18 and 19 cent lost, this is very negative. But while the 200 EMA and 18 cent support maintains, we could dump down into there. So even a move up where it fails, dumps back down into there, there's still the opportunity to bounce back up, although it could lower high again. But there's still that opportunity to bounce back up and go on that path. Don't worry, I will update it as it develops, and you can see as it has developed, pretty much doing what I've been suggesting. So stick around, subscribe, turn on that notification bell on. I do try and get these videos out when I can. So yeah, notification bell is best. It's not like a every day it's at this time sort of thing. I've got my own businesses I run. So that's it from me today. Like, subscribe, comment, turn that notification bell on. Yeah, try and support the channel. We're trying to get to 10K. So even if a thanks or an emoji, whatever it is, it really does go far. If you want to get educated, use the links in the description.